Hello, my name is Christy and welcome to hireko.ai. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up a new tenant. A tenant is a dedicated workspace for your company or team within hireko.ai. Think of a tenant as your own private environment with its own isolated database of jobs, recruiters, and candidates to keep your data secure and separate. We'll start with the initial setup steps, choosing a name, selecting a custom URL, providing contact information, and configuring default settings. This foundation will prepare you for a seamless first use experience and future growth. For those familiar with cloud computing, a tenant functions much like a micro-instance, which is a lightweight, self-contained virtual workspace built for flexibility and efficiency. Let's go ahead and get started. Click Login, and then select Create Account. Enter your company name here. For the domain name, this is the custom subdomain you choose for your tenant inside hireko.ai. It becomes part of the URL where your team accesses the platform. For example, if you enter Acme, your tenant URL might be acme.hireko.ai. Essentially, this is naming your workspace unique within hireko.ai and is used for login and navigation. hireko.ai may use this to verify users, enable single sign-on, or associate recruiters and candidates within your company. The domain name defines your tenant's identity inside hireko.ai. The company domain connects your tenant to your real-world organization and email infrastructure. The email entered here is for your super admin of your account. In these two spots here, we'll enter our password twice. We will accept the terms and conditions and create an account. After you create an account, you will receive an email to verify your email address. Go to your email address and copy and paste that code here. After you've verified your email, go ahead and enter your email and the password you used to create your tenant account. Click Sign In. After we sign in, we will enter the tenant portal, which is essentially the super admin dashboard that allows you to control the security and data of your account. Let's start by filling out our company's settings. Here we can register our company's subdomain and then select the next step. Here we can upload our logo. After you've uploaded your logo, you will see a green check mark and it will say logo uploaded successfully. Now we can select our brand colors. If you don't already know what the hex codes or number codes of your logo are, you can use AI to look that up. So for example, if I upload hireko.ai's logo here, I can ask AI what the hex codes are for the logo that I've uploaded. AI will tell you what the hex codes are for your logo. It will show, at least in this instance with Copilot, it'll show you the different blue tones, the different green tones, as well as the hireko tones and the AI gradient. Depending on your company's branding, you can select what color code would work best for you. So here I've entered the branding color code for our company. Select Next Step. At this stage in the process, you can set up your external SSO provider. External SSO or single sign-on providers are third-party services that allow users to authenticate across multiple applications using a single set of credentials. On hireko.ai, we have the option of using Google, Facebook, SAML, and OAuth. For now, we're going to skip this step, and I will cover each of these individual SSOs in individual videos so that you can focus on the one that you want to use. Publishing our workspace creates 4 different dashboards. The recruiter dashboard, where other recruiters can create jobs, review candidates, and go over the interviews and resumes that you've received. We also create the candidate dashboard for people applying for your jobs. We create the interview dashboard where your candidates can interview for the positions they're interested in, and the share dashboard. Let's go ahead and select Publish to get those 4 different dashboards created. This step can take a few minutes as the code works to publish those individual dashboards. After your domain is published, you will get a notification here showing that your domains have been published. If you want a custom URL, such as recruiter.yourcompany's.domain, so for example, recruiter.google.com if you're Google, or recruiter.amazon.com if you're Amazon, you will enter those details here. This setup process can be complex, so we will provide a separate tutorial video to guide you step by step. For now, let's move on. Now that we have those steps completed, we can add our contact information. Click on Settings, click Edit Details, enter your address. So these addresses that I entered are just for demonstration purposes, as well as the phone number. If you don't have a separate address, you can go ahead and enter the same address here. Go ahead and click Save Changes. Now that we've got our company information updated, here's a brief overview of the rest of the settings available in the hireko tenant portal. After entering your company's information, you can select roles to add recruiters to your company to help you with your hiring process. You can add applications to your tenant portal, as well as updating your Twilio configurations. Thank you so much for following along as we set up a new tenant inside hireko.ai. With your workspace now configured, you're ready to onboard your team and start hiring with confidence. Each tenant keeps data fully isolated, giving you the control and clarity you need to scale securely. If you're setting up multiple clients or teams, just repeat this process to create a fresh workspace for each one. For more tutorials, tips, and best practices, check out our Help Center or reach out to our support team. We're here to help you build smarter, faster, and more efficiently with hireko. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more hireko AI tutorials coming soon.